Unveiling the world of 3D printing. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey through the world of technology, specifically focusing on 3D printing. If you've ever been curious about how objects can be created layer by layer right before your eyes, then you're in the right place. Let's explore what 3D printing sessions are all about, breaking down this concept into simple terms for everyone to understand. Stay tuned. Before we delve into the specifics of a 3D printing session, let's first understand what 3D printing is. In simple terms, 3D printing is a process where materials are joined or solidified under computer control to create a three-dimensional object. With 3D printing, we can produce complex shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods. Now, let's talk about what we mean by a 3D printing session. A 3D printing session refers to the period during which a 3D printer is in operation, creating an object from a digital file. During this session, several key steps are followed. 1. Designing the object. This involves creating a digital blueprint of the object you want to print, usually with the help of computer-aided design (CAD) software. 2. Preparing the printer. This includes setting up the 3D printer with the right materials, like plastic, metal, or resin, and configuring the printing parameters. 3. Printing the object. The printer adds material layer by layer, following the digital blueprint, until the object is fully formed. 4. Post-processing. After the object is printed, it might require cleaning, curing, or other finishing touches to achieve the desired quality and strength. 3D printing sessions are crucial for several reasons. They enable customization. Each session can produce a unique object tailored to specific needs, allowing for unprecedented levels of customization. Save time and resources. 3D printing can be more efficient and waste less material than traditional manufacturing, especially for complex or bespoke items. Innovate and educate. These sessions are not just for manufacturing. They're also powerful tools for education, allowing students and hobbyists to experiment and learn about engineering, design, and technology. We hope this video has illuminated the fascinating world of 3D printing sessions for you. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or just someone curious about the future of manufacturing, 3D printing offers a window into a world of creativity, innovation, and endless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to explore further into the realm of 3D printing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video.